ang kandidata sa likuran, tapusin na natin ang laban. I always believe simplicity is the best, and being simple is truly remarkable. All the way last from the silver, during the capital of the Philippines, an amazing formation of Kawinan Festival, City of May Kawayan, Province of Bulacan. Sir, Ma'am, mark my number because I will give you the best show. This Filipiniana costume inspired from the Flores de Mayo, celebrated here in the Philippines. And before I live in this beautiful Agate stage, I always believe in a saying, kami humabak ng pangkalawakan, pangit man ho sa inyong pisikal na kaanyuan, ngunit yung lagi yung tatandaan, kami ho ay may mabuting puso para sa kapwa at para sa madla. Mark my number, candidate number 12, because I'll be right back. Good evening.